Southern Kitchen. Today we are participating in Meatloaf Wars. The La Farm is sponsoring a Meatloaf Wars, and I'll leave you a link to his page. Check him out. It's going to run through September, and this is my entry. It's called Patty's Perfect Meatloaf. So, just might as well end it here. This is the winner. Alright, what I've got here is I've got 2 pounds of ground beef. I do have a pound of ground chuck, and then a pound of 80/20. I'll add some salt and some pepper. I always add more pepper than normal. I've got 3 eggs that I've beaten here. Alright, Ritz Crackers. Roughly about a sleeve and a half of Ritz Crackers. These are just 2. But if you can find the bacon Ritz Crackers, that's the best ever. I am using everything for a little bit of flavor too, but the bacon is the best. I've got a half a cup of milk. I've got a cup of shredded cheddar. And I've got some onion and bell pepper already chopped very fine in my chopper. That way I don't have to worry about sauteing it up. Now, you just want to bring this mix together. You don't want to overwork it. And I have, I'm preheating my oven to 350. I do have my meatloaf pan here. That way it's not cooking in grease. And this is more than enough for me and Tony. I hope everybody's doing well. Alright. I think I brought that together well. Now put it in my pan. I've never done a 2-pound meatloaf in this pan. But what could go wrong, right? Now what I'm going to do is, like I said, I've got my oven at 350. I'm going to cook it for 30 minutes, and then I will be back. It's just done now. I will be back to put a glaze on it and then cook it another 30 minutes. So let's get this oven up. Let's get this in the oven, and I will bring you back in 30 minutes. See you shortly. All right, I'm going to make my glaze. Real simple. Or you can put barbecue sauce on it, whatever, but I like the flavor of this. I need about half a cup. I don't even think that's half a cup. That's more than enough. Ketchup. I've got some Dijon Mustard. And some brown sugar. And like I said, I'm just going to spread this on after it's been in there for half an hour. Then I'm going to put it back in and let it cook for another 30-40 minutes. Or until the thermometer reads 160. So, we'll be back in about 30-40 minutes.
You're on.
Oh crap, sorry. Alright guys, sorry, this cooked actually for 40 minutes, 40 more minutes, and then I temped it out to 160. Now I'm going to let it cool for 15 minutes, and then we'll come back and plate everything up. We'll be right back. Okay. God, that smells and looks good. With this, I've got some Instant Pot cheesy broccoli rice, which I'll provide a link on the end screen if I've already done this video. Alright guys, this is my entrance to the Mafia Wars, Meatloaf Wars. Like I said, this is Patty's Perfect Meatloaf. So, you know, everybody else just needs to go on down the road because this is it. Anyway, I want to thank y'all for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have y'all in the family. And check out the Lala Farm. I'll provide him on the end screen and in the description box as well. When you hit subscribe, hit that bell notification so you'll be notified every time I upload a video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And leave me a comment. Give me a big thumbs up and share it on your social media. Alright guys, supper's ready. Bye.